Let's play Car X Highway Race. Now starting with a black car and my car is red. I want to punch the black car. So, oh shit. Speed, quickly. Oh no, quickly. Oh, nearly. I catch. Oh, I over the car. Now I will win the race. Oh, finishing line is near.